Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to link to document in WPS Office. If you would like to create a new link, you need to select the text which you want to link. So for example, I select this text, and after that I need to go to Insert tab. It is very important to do it. Then we need to move our cursor to the right side and we need to click on link option. So I click somewhere here. And then we need to select document which will be linked. So I click on this one document. It is simple.docx document. And then I click OK button. After that, our document has been successfully linked. And now if somebody wants to open this document, he needs to press and hold Ctrl on the keyboard. And he needs to click on this one text. After that linked document will be successfully loaded here. So it is how it works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.